Hi, my dear students. Now I am going to giving the important questions in the lesson, which is very important. You can gain, we can gain up to 8 to 9 marks from this lesson easily. This chapter is very easy. By practicing, you get more knowledge on this chapter. Not only this, but also you can gain the marks very easily. Okay, students. Now, first question is, what is the ratio in which the point 8 by 5 comma y divides the line segment joining the points 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 3, and also find the value of y. Here, here two questions asking. First one is ratio and second one is the variable y. The variable y. So children, be aware of the formulae. Here we have to use section formula to find the ratio. Please remember, section formula I have to use to get the ratio. Okay, my dear children? And one more problem. Find the coordinates of the point. Find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining the points minus 2 comma 2 and 7 comma minus 4. This question is very important. Very important. 99% gunshot question. This question is, once again I am repeating. Find the coordinates of the point of trisection of the line segment joining the points minus 2 comma 2 and 7 comma minus 4. For this question you have to find the 2 points. That means, for suppose first point taken, let us suppose the first point as P. So P divides the line segment in the ratio 1 is to 2, and another point, say Q, divides that line segment in 2 is to 1. In 2 is to 1. 1 plus 2, 2 plus 1. The points which divides the line segment in the ratio 1 is to 2 or 2 is to 1 are known as points of trisection. Points of trisection. So you have to find 2 points here. One point is say P and another point is Q. This question is very important. Please remember. Please practice this question, my dear students. And next question. Find the point which divides the line segment joining the points 7 comma minus 1 and minus 3 comma 4 in the ratio 2 is to 3. Almost all these questions I'm giving you are based on the formula, section formula. Okay, students. Next one. Find the value of y for which the distance between the points 3 comma minus 1 and 11 comma y is 10 units. From this question, you have to use the distance formula. Based on this formula, one more question. Show that the points, very important question, very important question. Show that the points form the square or parallelogram or equilateral triangle like this. Anyone he may ask. Some 3 or 4 points are given. We have to prove that those points form. In case 3 points are given, have to prove equilateral triangle. In case 4 points are given, have to prove either square or rectangle or parallelogram depending on the question. Okay, students? For example, very important question. Show that the points 1 comma 7, 4 comma 2, minus 1 comma minus 1 and minus 4 comma 4 are the vertices of the square ABCD. Here we have to use distance formula to find the all sides of the given square. If all sides are equal, if all sides are equal and diagonals, diagonals, diagonals means the length of the diagonals must be